Hello viewers, today in this video I am going to show you how to use two WhatsApp account in one phone. Okay, let's start. At first, go to your phone settings. Scroll down little bit. Now tap on apps. You can see app cloner. Tap on app cloner. Here you can see all the apps on your phone. Enable the apps you will be using in dual mode. Now you can see two WhatsApp apps. By doing this process, hopefully solve your problem. Thanks for watching this video. If this video helpful for you, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.